we divide 212 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 1 and we remove this 0. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down again another number, this 2, and we put here 0. So now it became 12. So 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 0. So 212 divided by 2 we get 106. So this much for today and thanks for watching.